Look, we all want to be that one dude who walks into the room with his forearms looking like road maps. Veins just popping like they about to burst through your skin. And if you're a black man, you might have thought, man, I don't know if I could ever look like that. But let me tell you right now, you absolutely can. Today, I'm breaking down how to get veiny, muscular arms and hands naturally, without crazy genetics or gear. This is about training smart, eating right, and understanding your body to achieve that super attractive, muscular, veiny look. So that one day, you can too look like Batman.
I'm Batman.
Let's get into it. Alright, so first thing first, what even is vascularity? It's when your veins are visible on the surface of your skin, especially across your arms, hands, shoulders, and even your upper chest. Now, here's the part that most people don't talk about. If you've got melanin-rich skin, your vascularity might not pop out right away, even when you're lean, because by having darker skin, it can visually mask the details. But don't get it twisted. The veins are there, you just gotta bring them forward a bit more. And to do that, you need two things, and that's lower body fat and more lean muscle. That's the combo that makes the skin tighten over the muscles and pushes those veins out like a 3D sculpture. Sounds good, right? Now let's talk about how to make that happen. Lowering body fat. This is where the magic starts. You can't have a high body fat and expect your veins to pop out. They're under a layer of fat, and you gotta peel that off. That means locking in on your diet and staying in a small, controlled calorie deficit. Not starving, not crash diets, we're just talking about eating smart. Aim to eat about 250 to 500 fewer calories than your maintenance level each day. That's enough to burn fat consistently without killing your energy or losing muscle. Focus your meals around lean proteins like chicken, fish, and lentils. And add clean carbs like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. Also, commit to healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Those are important too. They help regulate your hormones and keep your joints smooth when you're pushing heavy weights. Building muscle to push out veins. Alright, now you're leaner. But lean and skinny won't get you veiny. It's just not the look we're going for. You need to build muscle that actually pushes your veins out to the surface. Think about it like this. Veins run through and over your muscles. When those muscles grow, they put pressure under the skin. If you add that pressure plus lower body fat, boom, those veins start popping. So what should you be training? For arms and hands specifically, you gotta show love to your biceps, triceps, and especially your forearms. Do heavy curls, hammer curls, and dips, but also incorporate movements that light up your forearms, like farmer carries, wrist curls, and even grip training with fat grips or a towel are amazing exercises to achieve super veiny hands and arms. As a black man, your muscle density might already be solid. So once you get that fat down and add mass in the right spots, you'll start seeing crazy vascularity that looks natural and makes you look more powerful and attractive. High rep training for the pump. Now this is where a lot of people sleep, actually chasing the pump. When you're training with high reps and short rest, you flood your muscles with blood. That pressure expands the veins and teaches your body how to increase circulation under load. If you're doing 3 sets of 8 reps and walk out of the gym, you're missing out. You want to be in the 12 to 20 rep range. Do multiple sets and only rest for about 30 to 60 seconds. That's how you build that crazy arm pump that leaves your skin tight and your veins thumping. You'll feel like you're swelling up right on the spot. And over time, your body starts to adapt and that pump becomes permanent. Hydration and blood flow. Now, this is one of the most underrated parts, hydration. You could be training like an animal, eating clean, and still not see veins. Why? Because your blood volume is low. You're dehydrated. Water keeps your veins full, your muscles pliable, and your skin tight. If you're not drinking at least 3 liters of water a day, you're cheating yourself. Every vein you want to see is hiding under dry, flat skin. Now let's fix that. Start eating foods that naturally boost blood flow, like beets, spinach, citrus, garlic, etc. And staying hydrated could be as simple as getting a motivational water bottle. This is a water bottle that has timestamps that makes it easy to remember to simply drink more water. And if you forget to, you can just drink twice as much water at the moment. It makes it easy to track how much water you're consuming, making it super simple to stay hydrated. I'll leave a link to where you can grab this motivational water bottle down in my description, so scroll down and check it out. You'll need it. Consistency and patience. Finally, understand this is a process. You're not gonna wake up next week with arms like a Greek god. It takes consistency, discipline, and patience. But here's the best part. Once your body starts changing, the rest comes fast. Especially for us black men. Our skin glows when we're lean, our muscles pop when we're hydrated, and our definition looks legendary once our vascularity kicks in. So lock in, keep showing up, and trust the process. Trust me, you'll have veiny, godlike hands and arms in no time. If you enjoyed the video or found the video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you super enjoyed the video, leave a super thanks. It's like leaving a little tip and it directly helps out the channel. If you haven't already, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you can continue to see our videos and get your weekly dose of betterness. And remember, with every one of our videos you watch, you take one step closer to becoming an even better version of yourself. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay smooth like butter.